Hi everyone! Today I am sharing 2 cookie recipes from one cookie dough base: walnut cinnamon cookies and sprinkle cookies. These are easy and delicious. So let's dive in and get started. First, let's recap the cookie dough base. Combine the dry ingredients: 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, ½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and pinch of salt. And set this aside. In a mixing bowl, add ½ cup of softened unsalted butter, ½ cup of white granulated sugar, and 1 medium egg. Beat until well combined. Next, add the dry ingredients and mix everything until smooth. Now our cookie dough base is ready. Divide the dough evenly into 2 mixing bowls. In one bowl, add ½ cup of top toasted walnuts and ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. In the other bowls, add zest of 1 lemon and 1½ tablespoons of sprinkles. Mix each dough until well combined. Then scoop onto a lined parchment paper sheet. If desired, add walnut halves and colored sprinkles on top of the cookies. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 10 minutes, until the edges start to crisp and the tops are just set. Once the cookies baked, let them cool completely. Now we're ready to enjoy these soft and fragrant treats that your family and friends will absolutely adore. I hope you like this cookie dough recipe. Thank you for watching.